Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create 3D text in Blender with few simple steps. Now let's get started. First delete the cube, press X or right click and delete it. Now let's add the text. Shift A and go to text and add it. If you want to edit the text, press Tab key to enter edit mode and delete the text using backspace and type whatever you want. Here I type my name. Press Tab key again to exit edit mode. By default, the text is flat, which can be difficult to turn this text into 3D. So we need to face this text face forward. So press R, then press X and type 90 degrees to rotate along X-axis. Now the text is facing forward, but it's not at the center. The text origin point is at the bottom left, which can cause problems when rotating. So we have to set the origin. So go to object menu and select set origin, then select geometry to origin. Now the text is facing forward and centered. To turn this text into 3D, we need to convert this text to mesh. By default, when you add the text, it's a text object, not a mesh. This means you can't modify the text like any other 3D object. You can't extrude or sculpt or bevel. Converting this text, you can modify this text. Right click and convert to, then select mesh. Now we have converted this text to mesh. Now we need to turn this text into 3D. Press Tab key to enter edit mode and press A to select, then press E to extrude. Then press Tab key to exit edit mode. Now we have created a 3D text. If you like, you can add material and light. So go to properties panel and select material and press add new, then choose the base color. Clicking the viewport shading, you can see the text color. Go to add menu and select light, then select point. Now we have created an awesome 3D text in Blender. That's it today. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.